In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconcile your bank. There are three different ways to access the bank reconciliation screen. Firstly, on the top right hand side of the dashboard, if you click on the arrow button, you can just click on Reconcile Bank. Also, from the front dashboard, if you go to the relevant bank account and click on the tick icon, that will take you straight through to the reconciliation screen. The last way to do it is if you go into the bank module on the left hand side of the screen, go through to the relevant bank account, and on the right hand side of the screen you'll see you'll have a section for reconciliation, and all you need to do is just click on Reconcile. Once you're in the reconciliation screen, all you need to do is make sure that the end date for the reconciliation is correct. We can see my starting balance is 0 because this is the first reconciliation that I've done, and we just need to make sure that the end balance is our statement end balance, and ours is £259.05. Once I enter that, just click on the Start button, and that will bring through all the transactions for that period for our reconciliation. What we can see on here is the date of the transaction, the code that it's been posted to. We can see the comment description for the transaction, money out, money in, the balance on the account, and these little three cogs here show that these transactions have been matched through from the bank feed. So all of my transactions have come through from the bank feed because that's how I'm operating my system, and we can see that they've all automatically been ticked. Basically, I've imported everything from my bank statement and I've entered in my statement end balance. So it should balance. So we can see at the top that my left to clear amount is 0 and my target balance has already been reached. If you need to make any amendments from the reconciliation screen, you can either put the reconciliation on hold and then you can come back to it for any work that you've done, or if something's been posted to the wrong place or you need to make an amendment, all you need to do is just untick the item and you will see it will bring up a pencil icon on the right hand side. If you click on the pencil icon, that will just open up a new window and it'll drill down into the bank account and highlight that transaction. You can then just click into that and then make any amendments you need to. Let's say that was posted against the wrong code in here, so I can say actually it should have been fuel and oil. Click update, that will change the transaction, and then I can just close that window down at the top of the page, and then when we're back in the reconciliation screen, all I need to do is just click on this little refresh icon at the top, and we can now see that materials has changed to fuel and oil, and then I can just tick that back up again. We will see that if you have an item unticked and the balance is not matching, I can't save and reconcile, so I cannot move forward at this point. As you can see, our running balance has changed here and I've got a £540.44 left to clear, and I can see that transaction listed, so I'm just going to tick that back up again. We can see the left to clear has gone to 0, so my bank is balanced and reconciled. So all I need to do is click Save and Reconcile at the top of the screen. That will bring up a little box here just to say that it's been reconciled. Just click OK, and then when you scroll down next to the relevant account, you can see that that's got a little lock next to it to show that the bank has been reconciled. If you click on Reconcile again, it will bring up a full list of all previous reconciled items and reconciliations that you can drill into and view at any point. And that's how easy it is to run through your bank reconciliation.